Good morning, everyone. Namaste. Grand Rising. Little technical issues here. So as I get situated, welcome to this week's edition of Dawn's Dharma Talks. And while I'd love to go off topic and talk about the day I've had so far, I'll save that for a live later today, or perhaps a story, or likely both. So I'm going to make this short and sweet. If you are here live, please drop a hashtag live. Let me know you're here. I'd love to see you and answer any questions you may have throughout this talk. If you are watching on the replay, hashtag replay. I'd love to know where you're tuning in from, and if you are currently practicing yoga. So if you are currently practicing yoga, drop a 1 in the comments, and if you are a newbie or maybe not practicing consistently, drop a 2 in the comments. I will come back and respond to any questions after this live ends later on today. I'm Dawn. I'm a yogi and online yoga teacher who is thoroughly passionate about demystifying yoga, specifically this topic of beginner yoga and how to start. I'm here to tell you, yes, you can do yoga. You do not have to have a certain body type, and you don't need a lot of time. The 3 tips I'm going to share with you today are simply that, tips and tricks for, I don't really like the tips and tricks. Sorry about that. It was not present there. Regardless, in all seriousness, yoga is an incredible lifestyle. It has a moral code. It has an opportunity to sit and connect with your breath and your thoughts, and it has an opportunity for you to connect with your body, mind, and breath in movement. All of that is yoga, and I'm not using the words purposely. You've got your moral code, you've got your is traditionally known in the West as yoga, and then meditation and breathing, pranayama. So I hit 4 of the 8 limbs of yoga in the branch of yoga that I study, Patanjali Yoga, for those that are interested. Before I forget, I did drop a link in the comments to my link tree. It's when you click on that link, you'll go to a page that will give you a list of everywhere you can find me, and I would love to stay connected with you outside of this group, outside of this community. Like, subscribe, if you're on, please share, and let me know if you have any thoughts or topics. So coming back to our topic, I'm going to give you 3 tips. First tip is set a timer for 60 minutes. Oh, I misspoke. It should be 60 seconds. 60 minutes is like the antithesis of what I talk about. Set a timer for 60 seconds. During that 60 seconds, pick one thing to do and just focus your entire attention on that one thing. For example, if you're out walking, set your timer for 60 seconds, and while your timer is running, pay attention to each step. Pay attention to the way the air feels on your skin. Look around. Easy peasy. You could actually do that for your whole walk if you'd like. Example number 2. Pick one yoga pose to do for 60 seconds. You can take one of the yoga tutorials. I also have a really cool membership with pre-recorded 1-minute practices for you, a combination of teaching and practice. Come back to the group and look at the yoga tutorials or the YouTube playlist, whichever works best for you. Tip number 2, keep it simple. Nope, that could be tip number 3. Keep it simple. And don't try to set a 60-second timer in between tasks. Set a timer for 60 seconds every hour and get up and move. There's so many different ways you can quickly and easily incorporate yogic principles into your day. I really hope these tips helped. Again, I've dropped my link to my link tree where you can find me and keep up with me on and off of social media. I'd love to work with you. Let me know if you have any questions. And again, I do have a fabulous membership that is a great starting place. It's a monthly membership for a $17 energy exchange. I look forward to seeing you all very soon. Be well, my friends. 5